Hey everybody, now that Neato is available in the app catalog for the low price of $1.93, I wanted to show you how it works. So we're going to launch this for the first time. And what it does is it gives you a button to generate a unique URL. So you just take that and type it into your web browser. And when you do that, it's going to give you a link that you want to put in your bookmarks bar. I've got it up here. It's called Neato. And then you're done. You pretty much got yourself set up. You can close out this card here, but you can see that Neato is still running down in the bottom. And of course, you can quit it completely by swiping it away. But we want to leave it running because we want to be able to send stuff from our browser directly to our phone. Of course, it'll work pretty much anywhere in any browser, but we're using this in Chrome. And so this is what you do. You've got a web page that you like. Of course, this is Pretty Central. And maybe you didn't know that there's a mobile link at m.prettycentral.net. So we don't select anything. We just click Neato, and bada bing, it opens right up on here on our phone. So it can handle URLs directly, but it can also handle some special URLs pretty easily. So if we go to YouTube, for example, and let's just find any old video. How about Minecraft? I have no idea what this is. But we can click the Send to Neato button here, and our phone will receive it and open right up into the YouTube app, which is pretty sweet. And let's try another thing that it can handle, which is Google Maps URLs. So let's go to Smartphone Experts HQ, which is right here in Inverness, Florida. We won't select any text. We'll just click Send to Neato, and our phone will receive the link. Oh. There we go. Actually, we can even get this directions link here. Oh, there it is. Pull it up. And look at that. It gives us directions right there. Or if you've got a standard non-directions link, it can grab that as well. Another neat thing that Neato can do rather than just send URLs is it can send arbitrary text. So let's say you're here at Pre-Central and you think that my line that Neil Patrick Harris ain't know the Keith Newman is the most hilarious thing you ever read. You click Neato after you highlight the text, and that text gets sent to your phone for you to copy and use elsewhere. Now, where this gets really powerful is when you start doing things like, oh, I don't know, take a look at our app gallery. So we'll go into the beta apps gallery, and we've added a little box underneath all of our apps here next to the download link, where you can click in this box and it'll automatically select that text. Then you can click Send to Neato, and Neato will receive it, and boom, there it is. It just received it. And we can copy that text, and then we can paste it in the web browser. And if we do that, the Palm will recognize that it is an app link, open it up in the app catalog, and there you go. You can download that and install it. So that's a really nice and easy way to install beta apps and web feed apps right out of our gallery without having to install any special extra software to find them. We also have these apps in our Homebrew gallery. And so if you're a Homebrew user, you can find an app that you like through us, TS Clock. That's a pretty neat little app. So if we go to TS Clock, we scroll down, we're logged in. You see we've got a file link here, so we'll copy that. We'll send it to Neato. And Neato received it, so we'll go check that out. There it is, so you can copy that. And right now, it sends you the URL, and then you go into Preware, and you can install it in Preware. We've been talking to developers, and we think we're going to get support for this to work in internals pretty soon. Jason Robitaille's file manager app, which is pretty cool. It'll act as a file handler. So there'll be more support for that coming, but for now, you've got the URL, and so rather than needing to go search for it inside Preware, you can just install it directly. Gotta let it finish loading up our themes here. There we go. And so then you can go into the menu and you can click Install Package, and then you can paste that link, and that will let you install that package directly, which is pretty sweet. So there you go. That's Neato in a nutshell. It lets you send URLs, text, YouTube videos, and Google Maps. as well as text to install files directly. It is really sweet and completely worth your $1.43.